With this laptop and it's starting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the content of this one onto this one. I'm thinking it's a hard drive problem because Windows 10 really, this is a computer isn't made for it. I'll show you also how to reinstall Windows on these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this. All right. And it's usually E, partition E. This PC. It'll give you the hard drives. And okay, this is the system. This is the gigabytes. Now what I want to do is I'm going to copy all the content of this computer. Then I'm going to format the hard drive and swap over the hard drives. So user, these are great, these things. You buy them for about 10 bucks. The old hard drives are just used for information. But this one's still a good hard drive. So of course the name of my kids. Okay, now we go to desktop. Firstly, I want to take out everything. Go to desktop. And there's a whole lot of movies. Do I want these movies? They're the old movies. So what we'll do is we may as well copy it. I mean, we can sort it out later. Copy. And paste. Okay, that'll take some time, so there's no need to be watching this. So later on, what we'll do is we'll get this CD and we'll format it. How many? 3,290. I don't know how long that'll take. I'm pretty certain I can do without most of these. These movies I downloaded. I'm going to put this hard drive in here into the computer, and I'll show you how that's done. Nowadays, when you come to format these newer computers, they don't let you. So you have to take the hard drive out and format it. Now there's no need to watch it download. It's going to take some time, so we'll end this video.